Because you may want to consider and recognize that each congressman, they have their own priority local projects. Alam naman natin yun, no? But I think this was the predecessor, no? Kaya nagkaroon ng pork barrel because precisely to give an allocation to each congressional district a certain amount, limit them to that amount, and allow them to choose projects within a certain menu of projects. The reason for giving them that is so that they don't mangle your NEP. No, I think those of you who have been there for some time know that, no? But of course, the pork barrel was considered illegal. Now they have mastered the process of doing the insertions as early as the NEP and as early as the GAA. So hindi na siya tawag pork barrel. But to me, whatever you call it, it's still pork barrel, no? But you have to recognize that each congressional district or each congressman have their own local infrastructure projects that they want implemented, which the agencies do not know, no? For me, for example, when I was with DPWH, I recognized that, no? And that's why we allowed them a fixed amount and a menu of projects to choose from. Wag naman nung kahit ano, no? So with that, don't touch my NEP. If you touch my NEP, I will not give you a single centavo of LIP. No?
Okay.
I think you may want to revert back to that to recognize that you have to give certain leeway to members of Congress for local projects that the agencies have not identified.
Yeah, Commissioner. Thank you for that suggestion, Commissioner. I guess that is a good suggestion that we can bring up to the management or even to the Secretary of DPWH, Secretary Vince Dizon, as far as that proposal. So that is the allocation by district from the allocable for the local infrastructure project, and we have to come up with a menu of projects that you can identify and not to touch the supposed to be NEP for the department itself, the core projects and programs of the department.